Hello friends, welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I am a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman. I am into real estate from last 25 years and I take my job as serving rather than selling, and I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. तो आज का टॉपिक है दोस्तों गोदरेज रिज्यू एट केशव नगर in Pune. So let's begin with the show. So friends, let's see Godrej review and we'll see the position of the plot and the area and the building size and everything we'll see in this brochure over here and in these images. And the plot area, as I know, it's a 9-acre plot and the building is 20-story tower with 3-level podium parking. So all the amenities are given. Some parking amenities are given on the ground floor and some amenities are given on the parking level. So this is how the complex will look after completion, and it's a 9-acre plot. So when you see ecosystem over here, ecosystem is very close by to Godrej Rejuve over here. So this is Godrej Rejuve and there's a Khardi area, then this is Keshav Nagar, there's IT Park Khardi, then there is Rakshak Hospital over here, Radisson Blue is there, and then Columbia Asia Hospital, Motherhood Hospital, then some schools like Orbe School, Kalyani School, and then Pawar Public School, HDFC School, and then this is Manjari Kharad, and this is all how the area is. It's very located in the center of the city. So project is very rightly located in the city. From here you get the more better dimension of the areas of the surrounding areas. So suppose this is Godrej Rejuve over here, then this is EON Gyan Nakar. EON Gyan Nakar school is 15 minutes from here, and then Orbe School 15 minutes, Fairfield by Meerut, Nirmala Convent and Columbia Asia Hospital and World Trade Center is 15 minutes drive from here. And on the 18 minutes, then you have Reliance Mart, then you have Radisson Blue, Zensar IT Park and Eon IT Park. Then on 30 minutes, you have Noble Hospital, Magarpatta, Phoenix Mall, Season Mall, Amonora Mall, Kalyani School and Vibgor School. So these are close by locality of the Godrej Rejuve. These are close by amenities of these are close by facilities for the Godrej Rejuve. And there's a metro line which is 8 kilometers and the station is Ramwadi. So there is Viman Nagar Airport at 10 kilometers and proposed Porbandar Airport is 45 kilometers, which will be our international airport. तो पूना से आउट ऑफ इंडिया जाना इजी रहेगा. इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट बहुत जल्द आ रहा है पूना में. सो देयर इज अ जॉगिंग ट्रैक, देयर इज अ सेंट्रल पार्क इनसाइड द कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड देयर इज अ जॉगिंग ट्रैक एंड ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन अगेन. So there are lots of amenities inside this complex. जैसे 1 किलोमीटर जॉगिंग ट्रैक बना हुआ है एंड क्रॉस फिट ट्रैक 600 मीटर बना हुआ है. देयर इज आउटडोर जिम, अर्बन फार्मिंग है एंड हर्ब गार्डन विद स्कूल डेक है और रिवर पवेलियन विद आउटडोर जिम. उसके बाद मेडिटेशन एरिया, गोल्फ जोन, गोल्फ क्लब, एक्यो एरोबिक, आउटडोर केफ नियर पूल एंड एम्पी थिएटर. दिस इज किड्स प्ले एरिया, किड्स स्विमिंग पूल एरिया. Then some games are like multi-purpose LED court. You can play even badminton over here, long tennis, badminton, basketball, everything. Then the skate park, there's a mini football court, cricket pitch, kids sliding pool, rock climbing, tree house, kids play zone with interactive fountains. So this place can be used for multi-purpose. It can be used for squash court, it can be used for Zumba classes and digital workout area. So this court can be used for multi-purpose. Then there's a suspension training, there's Zumba classes, interactive squash court. And this is the dimension of the layout, and this is the master layout of the plot and the building. So you see over here, this is building number 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So opposite side of the road, there was 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which was developed in the name of Godrej Infinity, which the possession has already been given of that project. So these buildings are under construction now, and there are 2 and 3 BHK flats in this. So when you see over here, the developer has given lots and lots of amenities over here. As last time also I had repeated all the amenities, so all similar type of amenities are there, and there are plenty of amenities inside the complex. So here again, air purifier plant, heat reflective window film, antibacterial tiles, oxygen planters, and RO water purifier. Then there's electric charging point inside the complex. There is electric bus to Khardi and Magarpatta, eco-friendly recycled plastic roads and cycle tracks. Golf cart for senior citizens. And if you see the internal structure, this is earthquake resistant RCC construction, earthquake resistant structure developer has been given. And when you see the windows and the flooring, windows are all branded fittings are there, floorings vitrified, antibacterial and anti-skid tiles has been provided in this complex. Even in the washroom, sanitary wares or CP and other fittings, all branded fittings like Jaguar and or equivalent to Jaguar, maybe Kohler. These type of branded fittings will be given inside the washrooms, and antibacterial tiles have been provided. So in kitchen also you have a stainless steel sink with the proper granite platform, and 2 feet dado tiles, antibacterial tiles has been provided above the platform. In electric, they have an equivalent good electric switches are there like Legrand or equivalent to Legrand, and provision to cable TV and telephone points. The special features like video door phone, RO water purifier, modular kitchen, solar water, pipe gas, inverters within flat, parapet wall and MS railings. So these are all the amenities developer has provided inside the complex. So friends, when you see over here, this is the typical floor plan of 2 BHK, and 2 BHK carpet area is 703. And the price for 2 BHK 703 is 74 lakhs 20,000. So this is how 2 BHK is designed. Actually, there are 4 or 6 flats on every wing. There are 4 to 6 flats are there. So maximum places they have given 6 flats on every floor. So this is one of the unit plan I'm sharing with you. So अगर ये यूनिट प्लान को अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पर फोयर एंट्रेंस है और ये लिविंग रूम है, ये डाइनिंग स्पेस है, तो एल शेप हॉल दिया हुआ है और काफ़ी बड़ा डेक दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर, टेरेस जिसको बोल सकते हैं या डेक बोल सकते हैं, और उसके बाद एक बेडरूम और सेकंड बेडरूम जो है वो अटैच्ड है, और दिस इज कॉमन वॉशरूम ओवर हियर, और किचन जो है वो यहाँ पर किचन दिया हुआ है। तो 703 में प्लानिंग बहुत बढ़िया अच्छा प्लानिंग दिया हुआ है, और द कॉस्ट फॉर 2 BHK इज 74 lakh 20,000. This is the plan for 3 BHK in which carpet area is 1047 and price is 1 crore 9 lakhs. Now these prices 74 lakh 20,000 and 1 crore 9 lakhs is all inclusive of stamp duty, registration, GST, society development charges and registrations. All the charges are included in these charges. There is no hidden cost beside these charges. This is the package which developer is providing. And when you see over here, even 3 BHK, there's a foyer entrance, there's a living room, dining, and there's an open kitchen concept. 1 bedroom over here, 2nd bedroom here, and 3rd bedroom over here. So 3rd one is attached, 2nd one is also attached, and there are 1, 2, and 3 terrace has been given, or you can say as a deck also. So friends, that's all for today, and the position for this tower is around December 2022. For booking, you can call me on my number 7400138561, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share to this channel, and see you again tomorrow with one more best project, branded and best project. Thank you for watching this show.